Good morning, students. In the previous section, we learned to find out the compound variation. Today, we are going to see about time and work from chapter 4, Life Mathematics. Work to be done usually considered as one unit. Work can be done in any form like constructions, filling or emptying the tank, or even eating a certain amount of food. Time. Time is measured in hours, days, etc. Certain assumptions are made that work so done is uniform and each person shares the same work time in case of group work is completing their work. Now we are going to see how to solve the problems when they are given using unitary methods. If two persons X and Y do work in A and B days, then their one day work is 1 by A and 1 by B respectively. If they form together and do the same work, then their one day's work together is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. When you are taking the LCM, we get the LCM as AB, and we add the numerator, we get B plus A by AB. This is X and Y's one day work. That is, X and Y together can complete the work in AB by A plus B days. For one day, it is B plus A by AB. To complete the work, it is AB by A plus B days. Using this unitary method, we are going to solve the problems from exercise 4.1. Sixth one, 4.4. Sixth one, A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. B and C can do it in 3 hours, whereas A and C can do it in 6 hours. How long will B alone take to do the same work? Here they had given three information. First one is A doing their work in 12 days, and B and C join together and they complete their work in 3 hours, and A and C complete their work in 6 hours. You have to find out how long B took to complete the same work. First, time taken by A to complete the work equal to 12 hours. Then A's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 12. The second given is B and C can do. That is, B plus C complete the work in 3 hours. Then B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 3. When we add these two, we get A plus B plus C. That is, A, B and C's together work. That is, A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 3. If you take the LCM, we get the LCM as 12. Then we add the numerator, we get A plus B plus 1 hour work is equal to 5 by 12. And the next information they had given is when A and C are joined together to complete the work, they took 6 hours. Therefore, A plus B's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 6. From A plus B plus C's and using this A plus C, when you are subtracting it, we get the B's 1 hour work. That is, B's 1 hour work equal to A plus B plus C's 1 hour work minus A plus C's 1 hour work. That is, 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6. When you substitute it, we get the answer as 1 by 4. Therefore, B alone take 4 days to complete the work. Seventh sum. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do it in 15 days, whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. How long would each take to find the same work? Here, first A and B are given. The second thing is B and C are joined together to do the work. And the third, A and C are joined to do the work in 20 days are given. You have to find out how long each individually they took to do the same work. For that, first you have to find out the joint work of A, B and C. From that, you have to subtract it. To find out the A, you have to subtract B and C. To find out B, you have to subtract A and C. And for C, you have to subtract A and B. First, we are going to write it in for 1 day work. That is A and B complete in 12 days means A plus B is 1 day work equal to 1 by 12. Same way B plus C is 1 day work is equal to 1 by 15. And A plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 20. When you add these three, we will get A plus B plus C's 1 day work. That is AB plus BC plus CA's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. When you take the LCM for 12, 15 and 20, you get the LCM as 16. From in this left hand side, you will have 2A plus 2B plus 2C's 1 day work. So we are taking out the 2 common. Then we get 2 into A plus B plus C's 1 day work is equal to 12 by 60. Then A plus B plus C's 1 day work equal to 12 by 60 into 2. When we cancel it by the common factor, we get the answer as 1 by 10. This is A plus B plus C's 1 day work equal to 1 by 10. Using this, we are going to find out A's, B's and C's 1 day work. A's 1 day work is equal to A plus B plus C's 1 day work minus B plus C's 1 day work. Substituting it, this A plus B plus C, we found it as 1 by 10 and B plus C is given as 1 by 15. Therefore, 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15, we get A takes 30 days to complete the work. The same way, B's 1 day work is found it as 1 by 20 and C's 1 day work is found it as 1 by 60. Therefore, B takes 20 days to complete the work and C takes 60 days to complete the same work. Now see the 8th sum. Carpenter A takes 15 minutes to fit the parts of a chair while carpenter B takes 3 minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the parts for 22 chairs? A's work is given and B's work is given. When they are worked together, how long they took to complete the 22 chairs? You have to find out. Time taken by A to fit a chair is given as 15 minutes and time taken by B to fit a chair is 3 minutes more than A. That is 15 plus 3, we get 18 minutes. Therefore, A's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15 and B's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 18. When they work together, the time taken by A plus B's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. Take the LCM and add it, we get the answer as 11 by 90. This is time taken by A and B when work together for 1 minute. You have to find out how long they took to fit the 22 chairs. That is time taken by A by B to fit the 22 chairs equal to 90 by 11 into 22. When you cancel it by 11, we get the answer as 180 minutes. Since it is in minutes, we are going to convert it into hours. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. From that, we can say that 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hours. Therefore, 180 minutes can be written as 180 by 60. We get the final answer as 3 hours. Therefore, they take 3 hours to fit the parts for 22 chairs. 9th sum. A man takes 10 days to finish a job, whereas women take 6 days to finish the same job. Together they work for 3 days and then the woman left. In how many days will the man complete the remaining job? First, they had given the jobs done by man and the days required to take the number of days by woman. And the third, they had given if both the togetherly, that is man and the woman, join to do the work for 3 days, then after 3 days the woman was left. You have to find out after completing the remaining job, the man took how many days to complete the balance job. First, a man can finish the work in 10 days and the women can finish the work in 6 days. It is given. So, we are going to find out the 1 day work. That is, man's 1 day work is 1 by 10 and women's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 6. When they join together and they work, then man plus women's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 6. Then we get the final answer as 16 by 60. This is man and plus women's 1 day work, but they both work for 3 days. Therefore, man plus women's 3 days work is equal to 1 by 16 by 60 into 3. When we cancel it, we get the final answer by 4 by 5. That is, both the man and women jointly finish the 4 by 5th of the work. You have to find out how many days the man took to finish the remaining work. Let the remaining work be found as 1 minus 4 by, let the completed work means 1 means, then the remaining work is 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Normally man took to complete the work in 10 days. That man complete 1 by 5th of the work in 1 by 5 into 10, we get the answer as 2 days. Therefore, the man complete the remaining work in 2 days. 10th sum, A is thrice as fast as B. If B can do a piece of work in 24 days, then find the number of days they will take to complete the work together. Given B complete the work in 24 days, therefore B's 1 day work equals 1 by 24. Given A is thrice as fast as B, that is 3A is equal to B. From this we can get A equal to B by 3. Therefore A can complete the work in 24. B is given as 24. Therefore 24 divided by 3 we get 8 days. This is A complete the work. Then A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 8. You have to find out how many days they took when they worked together to complete the same job. That is, A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 8. When we take the LCM and add it, we get 1 by 6. Therefore, they together complete the work in 6 days. Thank you.